Hello guys and welcome back to Vanetta's DIYs. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make kombucha tea. I learned how to make kombucha tea from these two books. To get started, you're going to need the following ingredients. One SCOBY, starter tea 1 to 2 cups, 5 tablespoons of loose tea, 1 cup of cane sugar, a brewing vessel, and some water. Start by making some simple syrup. To make the simple syrup, you're just going to boil the water and add the cane sugar and stir. Next, you're going to add your tea and stir. Allow the tea to steep. Now you want to strain your tea and allow it to cool. Once it has cooled down, you can add it to your brewing vessel. Add your filtered water, add your starter tea, and lastly your SCOBY. So now you're just going to put this in a corner of your kitchen and just let it sit. You're going to put a little tea towel on top. I put a tea towel and a rubber band to just secure it. And I just let it sit for a little while. The shortest I've let it sit is probably about a week. And then I do the second fermentation. So thank you for watching. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, just drop them down below.